Mosaic pictures with tiny 5mm ceramic stones have been successful for many years. The micro tiles with sparkling ceramic surface are a creation of Alea Mosaic. Dolphin and heart remain the most popular subjects. With just a few clicks, offers appear in online retail. And so it goes. The work is well thought out. Pour water into a small, shallow vessel. Set stone by stone. Always dive into the water first and then sit exactly in its place. Stone by stone, with Alea curved tweezers or simply her eyebrow tweezers. After about 2 hours, the stone will stick. This is how the magic surface of Alea Mosaic works. Where fragments are acquired, it is best to work with small pliers. Pliers, curved tweezers, and a 20 by 20 cm frame are available as Alea accessories. Click is enough. Large frames with a passepartout will follow later.